Here's the science behind what happens to your brain during hypnosis and past life regression. When you're hypnotized, your brain shifts into a unique state. Not quite awake, not asleep, but something in between. In 2006, a study found that alpha brain waves, which are linked to deep relaxation, spike during hypnosis, especially in the frontal cortex. Beta waves, the ones linked to overthinking, actually drop, which means your mind is calming down and entering a deeply focused state. In 2002, a brain imaging study by Rainville found that hypnosis changes how we experience pain and emotion. It altered activity in the anterior cingulate cortex, which helps regulate emotional response, and the somatosensory cortex, which possesses physical sensations. In other words, under hypnosis, your brain literally feels differently. In 2016, Stanford scientists used fMRI scans to see what the brain looks like during hypnosis, and the results were incredible. Activity in the dorsal anterior cingulate decreased, meaning your brain tunes out distractions. Meanwhile, the prefrontal cortex linked to awareness and insula linked to self-perception and decision-making became more connected, allowing for deep focus, vivid imagery, and heightened suggestibility. Now let's talk past life regression. Barber's 1969 research suggested increased activity in the temporal lobes linked to memory and parietal lobes linked to body awareness during regression. That could explain why people see, feel, and even physically react to scenes from other lifetimes. And in 2010, Laney and colleagues discovered that deep hypnosis boosts communication between the hippocampus and frontal cortex, which may help people access incredibly vivid, lifelike memories, even ones that don't belong to this life. The science is clear. Hypnosis changes your brain, and it can be measured.